and green leggings, pink socks, blue slippers and glasses. What about you?
I'm wearing a blue hooded sweatshirt and under it green t-shirt, black leggings, white socks and green slippers.
Oh, very nice. I like your style.
I like wearing casual clothes.
Hey, today I'm wearing black, red, white and grey dress with buttons. I'm wearing also black leggings, white and black socks. I'm wearing glasses.
I'm wearing a bright pink coat, light blue jeans, my Nike sneakers and a bag.
We don't wanna believe it, that it's all gone. Just a matter of minutes before the sun goes down. We're afraid to admit it, but I know you know that we should've known better, but kept on trying. And it's time that we see it, the fire's dying out. Can't believe that I say this, we're out our chances now. And I just want you